Isthmus Research and Publishing House presents The Parkinson's Disease and the Role of Dopamine, a quick look into the nigrostriatal pathways. Parkinson's disease is a medical condition that affects millions of people around the world, including well-known personalities such as Muhammad Ali and Robert Downey Sr. Although it may not be life-threatening, it can significantly impact a person's quality of life, making even simple tasks very challenging due to tremors, shaky movements, and gait abnormalities. However, with social support and proper medical treatments, we can help improve the lives of those living with Parkinson's disease and reduce the social stigma associated with it. Parkinson's disease is a neurodegenerative disorder. The disease affects motor functions and causes the loss of dopamine-producing cells in the brain. It causes different symptoms such as tremors, slow movement, muscle rigidity, and postural instability. Parkinson's disease also causes non-motor symptoms like depression, sleep disturbances, and cognitive impairment. The symptoms of Parkinson's disease can be partially managed with the help of medications, physical therapy, and brain surgery. The basal ganglia network is located at the base of the forebrain. Basal ganglia affects the movement of the body and consists of 4 subcortical nuclei, such as the striatum, the globus pallidus, external and internal part, the subthalamic nucleus, and the substantia nigra. The substantia nigra, also known as the black nucleus in the midbrain. It is a large gray matter structure. The dark coloration of the substantia nigra is due to the presence of a high number of dopamine-producing neurons that contain neuromelanin. Substantia nigra is crucial for motor and movement control. The substantia nigra is divided into 2 different parts, pars compacta and pars reticulata. The pars compacta is a dorsomedial part of the substantia nigra. It is dark due to its high intracellular neuromelanin content. Neuromelanin plays a role in protecting dopaminergic neurons from oxidative stress. The loss of dopaminergic neurons in the pars compacta causes Parkinson's disease. The pars reticulata is a reddish-colored part of the substantia nigra. It is composed of inhibitory gamma-aminobutyric acid-releasing neurons. That also regulates the movement of the body. The basal ganglia regulate movement by generating 2 major pathways, direct, excitatory, and indirect, inhibitory, pathways. The nigrostriatal pathway is the dopamine-mediated connection between the corpus striatum, divided into caudate nucleus, putamen, and nucleus accumbens, the globus pallidus, external and internal part, the subthalamic nucleus, the substantia nigra, and the thalamus. Dopamine comes from the pars compacta region of the substantia nigra. Dopamine binds to dopamine D1 type receptors on the neurons of the striatum. The striatum then sends inhibitory signals to the globus pallidus internus and the pars reticulata of the substantia nigra. As a result, the globus pallidus internus and substantia nigra pars reticulata have lost their ability to inhibit the thalamus. Now the thalamus become active and can send the signal to the cerebral cortex, resulting in the desired movement. This is called the direct pathway. In the indirect pathway, the striatum with D2-type dopamine receptors receives inhibitory dopaminergic innervation from the pars compacta of the substantia nigra. The striatum has an inhibitory effect on the globus pallidus externus, reducing the inhibition of the subthalamic nucleus. The subthalamic nucleus then excites the globus pallidus internus and substantia nigra pars reticulata, leading to increased inhibition of the thalamus. Ultimately, this leads to turning down the thalamus motor and then following the motor cortex. Therefore, motor activity is diminished. As a result, there is no movement. Any disturbance in the nigrostriatal pathway causes Parkinson's disease. Let's work together to make a positive difference and create a better future for those living with Parkinson's disease. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.